Hi students, today we shall be doing worksheet number 5 of narration. In this worksheet, we have been given with imperative sentences. What are imperative sentences? Let us recapitulate first. Imperative sentences are those sentences which contain a sense of request, command, warning, order, etc. and always begin with the main verb. For example, do not go out in the sun. Please help me to carry out this task. Go and fetch me a glass of water. Open the window, shut the door. So these all like do, please, go, open, shut. These are all main verbs, and here reported speech is beginning with the main verb, right? Now, how do we change these imperative sentences from direct to indirect speech? Which rules do we follow? Let us learn how do we change them. First is comma is removed. Comma that we usually use right after reporting verb, we remove in indirect speech. Then the verb of the direct speech is changed into an infinitive. Infinitive means meaning of infinitive is it usually begins with the word to and is followed by the base form of the verb, means first form of the verb. Base form is first form of the verb, means to plus first form of the verb. As we in assertive sentences or interrogative sentences we use that, whether or if as a linker. Here we do not use that, whether or if, we use to plus first form of the verb, right? Now next rule is said to is changed into ordered, commanded, requested, begged, asked, advised, suggested or any other word as per the sense of the sentence. Means in assertive sentence, said to gets changed into told, and in interrogative we use whether or if or the question word comes. But here instead of said to we use ordered, commanded, requested or any other reporting verb. The next rule, tense, pronouns and words expressing time and place are changed as per the rules we have used in assertive and interrogative sentence. They are same, no change in it. The rules that we follow earlier, the same rule we'll be following in these kinds of sentences also. Now let us do worksheet number 5. This is our worksheet number 5 and sentence number 1 is the teacher said to the children, open page number 10 of your book. Here our reported speech is beginning with the main verb directly, open. So it is an imperative sentence. This way we can find out whether it's an imperative. Here it is given in the question that change these imperative sentences into reported speech. Sometimes or most of the times it isn't given that these are the imperative kinds of sentences. We are supposed to judge by our own by seeing the words used in the beginning of the reported speech, right? Then here teacher said to children, and now said to here is changed into asked, as there is no clarity of sense of the sentence. As teacher, they can't order their children, can't request their children. They mostly advise, mostly suggest, or whenever the sentence here sense is not clear, we use asked. So the teacher asked the children, and according to the rules, to open. To plus first form of the verb. This is verb and before verb to. To open page number 10 of their book. Change of pronoun your into their, as teacher is talking to the whole class. Manish said to the people standing on the road, please help me remove this broken tree from the road. Here word please is used. And whenever word please is used, it means a request is made by the person. Here Manish is requesting the people. And so said to, the reporting verb will get changed into requested. Manish requested the people standing on the road to help him. To plus first form of the verb and change of pronoun. To help him remove that broken tree from the road. This into that. Next is Ruchi said, oh God, bless my parents with health and happiness. Here Ruchi is praying to God. So Ruchi prayed to God. Reporting verb will be prayed to God. And here verb Bless, so before verb, to plus first form of the verb. To bless, change of pronoun. To bless her parents with health and happiness. Next is, Shipra said to Preeti, read newspapers and magazines to boost your vocabulary. Here Shipra is advising her friend. So here reporting verb said to will get changed into advised. Shipra advised Preeti to read. To plus first form of the verb. Here main verb is read. So to plus first form. To read newspapers and magazines to boost her vocabulary. Change of pronoun your into her. Next is, the coach said to the players, do not overdo this exercise. The coach. Here the coach is suggesting the players. So the coach suggested, our reporting verb will be suggested the players not to overdo. Here our sentence, this reported speech is in negative. So whenever it is negative, we use not first and then to. Not to, rest will remain same. Only change of this word this into that. Overdo that exercise according to the rules. Next is, the major said to his cadets, stand straight, listen attentively to what I say. As we know, army people, the major always command their cadets. So we will be using reporting verb as commanded. The major commanded his cadets. Then again, stand is our verb, listen is also verb. So once we will be using to. And rest will be joining by using and. To stand straight and listen attentively to what. So change of pronoun, what he say into said, as reporting verb is in past. Next is, accept this job offer son, said mother to her son, do not leave this opportunity. Here mother is advising her son and two sentences are given. So mother reporting verb will be advised her son to accept, this one sentence we are doing, to accept that job offer, this into that, rest sentence will remain same. To accept that job offer and not to leave that opportunity. Right, this is correct as it is an old, this one is old book. So I've been using it. Next is, the doctor said to the patient, don't worry, just take the medicine on time and exercise regularly. Here, said to, the reporting verb said to will get changed into advise, as doctor always advise the patients. The doctor advised the patient not to worry. Again negative sentence, so not first and then to, not to worry, and link this sentence, this next one, and to take the medicine on time and exercise regularly. So this is all about our worksheet number 5. Next worksheet I'll be discussing in the next video.